to give them what they need. You're no longer a foster parent. What you are is a meal ticket. Amen? Mama Charlie raised them. What we could do as foster parents was facilitate for them. That's it. We could not raise them. We could not correct them. We could not instruct them. We could not punish them. We could not chastise them. We could not stop them. If they were walking in front of a car, we were not supposed to stop them. Amen? Our hands were literally tied to prevent us from doing anything constructive for these children. Amen? We gave up, Sister Juan and I gave up being foster parents when, number one, the system failed us and failed the children. It failed us in that we had to purchase clothes for these children. We got a couple of children came with nothing but the clothes on their back. We were not given any money. We were not given anything to provide for them, and yet we were to provide for them. The county is supposed to supply all of that. A couple came, what, in the middle of the night? No clothes, no diapers, no nothing. So we had to go out and purchase so that they could have just the bare necessities. And we were drugged through the coals just to get reimbursed. So that's one thing that turned us off from it. Amen?